to buy Sankey Diagram by VisioChart in Microsoft Power BI. Click on 3 dots and select Get More Visuals. Search for Sankey Diagram by VisioChart. Click on Add drop-down button and select Buy Now option. Click on Sign In button. Sign in with the account you are using to log in Power BI. Click on Buy Now button. Click Next. Choose payment plan according to your requirement. Click on Add a new payment method option and enter required card details. Click on Accept Agreement and Place Order button. Add Sankey Diagram visual. Click on Sankey Diagram icon. Select Dimensions and Measure. On successful purchase, watermark is removed.